welcome back to my channel. I'm actually pretending to be a professional YouTuber now, and I'm putting this on YouTube. Should be private, so only my students can reach it. So this is my kit. I'm going to go through bit by bit things that I use quite a lot and what I like. So I have everything in this little clear vanity case in my kit. This is my skincare bag. So I'm not gonna pull out every single thing, but just a couple of key things that I really like. This is my Holy Grail skincare product. It's a spray, but what I always do is spray it onto a cotton pad and then wipe it over the face. This is really good for prep for makeup. What it does is it softens the skin, and on areas where, like on mine, you can see I've got quite a few little spots around, it will just take any rough edges off of them and gives a really smooth finish. It also it leaves the skin a little bit tacky, which means that then when you put your serum or moisturiser on top, it like drinks it down further in. So really nice for the skin, this one. You can also spritz it all over, but I like to use a cotton pad because it does, as I say, you can hold it onto certain areas and it will dissolve any little kind of crusty bits. So this is softening lotion from MAC. Another product I really like, which I use a lot, so this one's nearly all gone, is the Embriolisse moisturiser. This is a really nice one for all skin types. So it's good to have products in your kit that are good for all skin types, and try to keep it simple. Another really nice moisturiser for all skin types is the Keihls Ultra Moisturising Lotion. Really nice as a base for makeup. I must say, most of the products that I use are a bit at the higher end budget wise, and that's just me being a makeup snob. You can get some really nice skincare from budget brands. The Ordinary is brilliant. It is a bit complicated with all of their little serums and things. It's a bit scientific, but they do some really good products. And Boots do some really lovely skincare as well. So do like even something like Simple or anything like that. You don't feel like you've got to go and spend the earth, but it's just worth investing every now and then to something, and you can sort of replace your cheaper basic items as you move through. But don't start trying to invest in a top-end kit at your age when you've only just started in makeup. You want to really be a bit more established so that you're earning more money. I don't want you to spend more you haven't got. So my makeup business, well, it used to before this pandemic, pays for all the products as well. So that's why I have, you know, a little bit more expensive stuff. This one is Kiehl's again, and it is really nice for oily skins. It also has a bit of a pore filling element to it, so it evens out any texture. So I use that one for oily skins, and this one for pretty much every other skin, or this one, which is lovely for all skins as well. The other products that I really like are my sprays. So facial mists are really nice, really good for the skin, feel really nice and refreshing, smell nice as well. So for my skincare, I usually first of all would go over with like a cleansing water. I've got the Bioderma, but you could use the micellar water like the Garnier one. So I use that first of all on a cotton pad. Then I use my softening lotion on a cotton pad. Then what I like to do is a little spritz of a facial spray, because again, that's hydrating, really nice for the skin. And this one is Fix Plus from MAC, which is basically like a water with minerals in it. And then I do like to use a serum on some skins, particularly more mature skins. I would use a serum. So this one is from The Ordinary, and it's the hyaluronic acid serum. Again, this is really hydrating and helps absorb the moisturiser that you put on afterwards even better. So after my softening lotion and my facial spray, I then apply a few drops of that, apply it to my fingertips, and then massage it onto the skin with my fingertips, obviously nowadays wearing gloves. And then finish up with the moisturiser, which would be one of the two that I've already told you about. A couple of other really handy things to have in your kit. This one's quite inexpensive. This is I would say this is a must-have. It's can be used as a lip balm, but also if you've got any real bad areas of dry skin or really bad texture to the skin, like for instance up here, if I had like really rough areas, put a little bit of this on top of the moisturiser and just let it sink in for a few minutes, and then you can go over the top with the makeup. This works wonders, but it is amazing for dry lips. I think that's, and then I've got my setting sprays, which I would obviously use at the end of the makeup. That's basically my skincare. Oh, and strobe cream, like an illuminating moisturiser. That's lovely as well. So I'd use that in place of a moisturiser. So that is my skincare kit. I'll follow up with another kit video in a minute.